There are a lot of different types of tools that you can learn to brush up your UX design skill. I'm gonna classify them into 4 different groups. Group number 1 is the research tool that will help you in UX process, doing research, sorting data, or making decisions. Group number 2, design tools that will need to create lo-fi or hi-fi visual design. Group number 3, AI as a design assistant, which support both of these previous group. And group number 4 is an optional category in case you want to make more money. I will save it for the last. So let's get started with the first category, which is the research tool. Being in UX field, you cannot ignore the importance of doing a lot of research. You're gonna do research on competitor, user, or even market. And each of this research, UX designer use different tools, but one tool I want to highlight where you will do a lot of collaboration and brainstorm, and that is FigJam or Miro. Don't be afraid as I'm referring to different tools. Fun fact is, if you learn one, you will easily can understand another one because the functionality is almost similar for both tools. The second tool in this group is analytics. Tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Mouseflow, Kissmetrics Analytics. Again, pick one of it and start learning. In the category, my personal opinion is Google Analytics is the most complex one, but if you know it, you can bring a lot out of it. Next is market research tool, which help you to do a lot of user research. Tools like SurveyMonkey, Typeform, JotForm are widely used by the different companies. Again, if you learn one, you will know the others. The idea of all of these tools is building form, sending people to submit the form, and once you have the data, you can make a lot of decision based on the report. So better you learn about the user research tool. Okay, now we come to the second category of the tools, which is the design tools. Are tools that help to create visual UI design, interaction, and prototype. The market is now dominated by only one tool, which is Figma. Earlier, just 5 years back, we had to know Figma, SketchUp, Adobe XD at the same time. But not anymore. If you get yourself expert in Figma, you will be ahead of a lot of people. And to be there, I have some tips for you. Master yourself by understanding how auto layout work. The second, try to build complex yet powerful component. Deep dive how nested element work. Enhance your knowledge on component property. Third, learn how to use variables to create responsive design and light and dark mode. And last, advanced prototyping. Alright, in third category of the tools, the early you adopt, the better chance to survive. It's none other than the AI tools. In this category, understand how to use ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini in your research and even content writing. And then on second part, try to use any kind of visual AI design tool. Learn how to write prompt. In AI world, I strongly believe writing the prompt is the game changer. At some point, designer will literally mentioning it as any skill in their resume. So if you know how to write the prompt to get maximum out of it, you will be the winner. Treat AI as a collaborator. And my final category to suggest, learn any tool for website building. It can be Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. At least learn the basic. Do some experiment and see if you want to explore further or not. The reason I said it is optional yet suggesting because one, you will learn how actual browser work and how your website will look like in the browser, how responsive design work in a different viewport. Reason number 2 is once you learn one of these tools, it will help you to make your own portfolio website in future. And reason number 3, you can generate some additional income out of it. If you do a freelancing in future, you can get more client because there are a lot of projects that appreciate people who offer both design and development in the service. Alright, that's a lot of design tools to learn, but always remember the foundational skills are lasting while tools will be come and go. When I started my career, Adobe was dominating the market, then SketchUp was taking all of the majority, and then later Figma comes and take everything. That's why I say do not become overly dependent on a specific software, because let's say you are very comfortable with one survey tools, but your company already using another one, or some companies may not even have the budget for the software. Keep learning, but be flexible of using any tools. That's it. In case you have missed my previous series of video where I guide how to learn UI UX design, start with this one. And if you want to learn how you can improve your UI design skill, which is this one, I'll see you on the next video.